Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. And for this video, let's talk about the latest smartphone from Blackview, the Blackview A95. To give you an idea, Blackview is known for its rugged phones. So yun yung mga phones na pwede mong gamitin sa mga extreme activities mo. But this time, let's talk about the Blackview A95. And ano nga bang meron dito? But before we proceed to the features of the Blackview A95, you can buy this Blackview A95 in Alibaba Express, posted in the description of this video. The original price of Blackview A95 is $219.99 US, but they have the promo price from the 21st of February up to the 24th for only $149.99 US, plus additional voucher of $10, which will make the final price to $139.99 US. So pag convert natin siya sa currency natin, halos aabutin siya ng 7,200 pesos. That is from February 21 to February 24. Now, for that price, you will have an 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, 20 megapixel rear camera with a chipset of MediaTek Helio P70, and 4,830 mAh battery. It is also available in 3 colors. We have the Summer Ocean Blue, the Aurora Night Black, and my personal favorite, the Fantasy Galaxy Rainbow. And now, let's proceed with the unboxing of this Blackview A95. Upon unboxing, you will see the SIM ejector pin, USB-C charging cable, 18 watts charger, and the manual. And for the material, it is made of electroplated coating, or to simplify that word, metal. And for the display, it has 6.582 inches na IPS LCD screen with a resolution of HD+ or 720 by 1600. And naka-water drop din yung front display niya where the front camera is located. And speaking of camera, for the front camera, meron siyang 8 megapixel, and for the rear camera, it has 20 megapixel. And the 20 megapixel rear camera has Sony IMX376 sensor. And going back, as I mentioned a while ago, that it has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, the storage is also expandable up to 1 terabyte. And yes, for the chipset, it has MediaTek Helio P70. And for the Antutu benchmark, it got a score of 229,873. And in terms of connectivity, it has Bluetooth 4.2 and a data up to 4G connection. And it is also capable of USB OTG. And the Wi-Fi can connect both to 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. For the battery, it has the capacity of 4,380 mAh with 18 watts USB-C charger. On this video, it will last up to 17 hours of light use. And that's all for the quick features of Blackview A95. And if you are excited to purchase this smartphone, you can have it on the Alibaba Express. Nandyan yung link sa baba within the description of this video. And please mark your calendar for the promo price on February 21 to February 24, where you can get the Blackview A95 from $219.99 to $139.99 only. So, ang laki na naitipid mo dyan. And katumbas siya sa ating pera for only 7,200. Once again, this is me, Alpalanca, and if you like the content of this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell na rin para maging updated pag mayroon tayong video na ilalabas. And please follow me on my social media account on Facebook, Elpalanca Reviews and Unboxing, and on Instagram, elpalanca_tech. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood and kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.